Hi all, you'll be surprised to know that this glamorous look has been created by using all drugstore products under 4,000 rupees. I often get this question from people around me that what are the basic makeup essentials you need to have in a kit to start doing a daily routine makeup or a party makeup. People are often scared that I don't want to invest too much money into makeup and then that is not being used later on. They are worried about this. So in this video, I'll be walking you through some of the essential makeup things you need to have in a kit if you are going to build a kit. It is all budget friendly products. These all can come under 4,000 rupees. Starting with color corrector, I'm using the one from K Beauty, orange corrector. If you think you don't have too much pigmentation on the face or dark circles, you can surely skip a corrector. Using the concealer from Maybelline, Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This has been one of my favorite concealers for many years from drugstore category. If you are a beginner to makeup and if you are a beginner to concealer, this is something you can invest and start using. It is a very user friendly product, easily blendable. Shouldn't be a challenge if you have never used a concealer. This should not be a challenge to get this blended in the skin. Moving on to the foundation, I'm using the one from Maybelline. This is called Fit Me. Do you see how easily this is getting blended in the skin, not leaving any traces of brush marks or getting patchy in certain places and not blending easily? For today's video, I haven't randomly picked up products that could be part of your essential makeup in the kit. These are all tried and tested products and something good you can invest on and start using. As per me, this is a medium to buildable coverage foundation and it controls oil for long hours. So if your skin is oily, you can use this foundation. You will not see the traces of oil in your skin for many hours. It takes no time to settle in the skin, and once it settles down, it doesn't look too matte, which is very good, and it has a little bit of sheen effect on the skin, which I like the most about this foundation. I am using a little bit of the foundation on the side of the face to cover off my acne marks, trying to build it. While letting the foundation to settle down, I am doing my eyebrows. Using this eyebrow pencil from Inside in the shade brown. Now setting my base using a translucent setting powder from PAC Pack. This is a very nice translucent setting powder if you want a budget friendly translucent powder. I'm running over my brush in all over my places where I feel my skin gets oily throughout the day. Majorly the T-zone area, this side of the cheeks and on my chin. Today I'll be using this palette from Mars. This is an all-in-one palette. It has eyeshadows, it has a blush, it has a highlighter and also a bronzer, which is a very good option for the people who are going to begin with makeup. Taking the shade from here, this brown, I'll be using on my eyelid. The colors in this palette are highly pigmented, so be careful while you use it, especially if you're a beginner. You need to take really less amount of the product on the brush before you take it on the skin. I just want to darken a little bit on the outer edge of the eye with the same shade. Using this palette, you'll be able to create makeup looks for daytime and party makeup look. It has a good combination of matte and shimmer shades. Some palettes from drugstore have such bad fallouts, which I don't see happening with this palette. Now taking the shade with my fingertip, I just want a pop of color in the middle of the eyelid. I'll be just tapping this on the middle of the eyelid gently. Using a pencil brush, I'm taking the same brown on my lower waterline. Using the mascara from Lakme Iconic. This is one of the oldest favorite mascaras of mine. Some of the products I'm using in this video make me feel so nostalgic because these are some of the products I started using initially when I started doing makeup on myself. This is one of the mascaras which has the best wand I have known. It is so easy to apply mascara with this wand, even in the top lashes and also the lashes in the lower waterline. You can never go wrong with this mascara and application. Using the bronzer from the same palette, I'll be taking this on the back of my hand before taking on the skin. Evenly distributing the product on the brush because it's highly pigmented as I mentioned earlier. Using a smaller brush to take the bronzer on the nose. Moving on to the blush, I'll just take a little bit on the highest point of my cheek here. Do remember this is a very high pigmented formula and you need to be really light-handed while using this product. Using this lip liner from Swiss Beauty, the shade is called Choco Nude. I will be filling the corners of my lip using the same lip liner. We'll be using this lip gloss set from Rene Cosmetics, picking up this shade from here. This is called Pucker Up Peach. I think this will go perfect with the makeup we did today. I don't want to be taking the lip gloss towards the corner of the lips because it becomes a little messy. It's better to keep it in the middle of the lips only, and that's the reason we did fill the corners of the lip with the lip liner so that it lasts long. Isn't this pretty, guys? It has a nice shimmer to this and adding to the glamorous look that we created today. So this is it, guys. This is my final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. You did see how we could create this glamorous look using all the drugstore products within a budget of 4,000 rupees. I also offer online and offline classes for self-grooming. If you are interested, please do contact me with the number mentioned in the description box. Do not forget to hit on the thumbs up button before you log off. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and do share this video with your friends and family. Until my next one.